Hi Stampin' Up! Friends. I want to show you how to get the very best deal this month. So with Stampin' Up! You have your wish list and you have, say, $99 on there. So we have the mini catalog right now, and you have went through there and you've picked out items that you really want. So I'm going to kind of show you something really pretty awesome that we have going on right now. So you've picked out the Share a Milkshake bundle, the Love Cats stamp set, the By the Bay 6x6 designer paper, the cane weave embossing folder, and the bordered ribbon. This is $99, but I'm going to show you how to take it even farther and get more for $99. So you have picked out the Covered in Sunshine stamp set, the Friendly Gnomes set, the Layered Stripes stamp set, and the metallic designer paper. So all of this costs $173, but right now you can get all of this for only $99. But I'm going to take this a step farther and show you what else you can do. So right now you could throw in the mini machine, and this would all cost you $129. And if you were to buy this right now in the book, you would pay shipping and tax. But if you get the starter kit, you only pay tax. So we have three options right now. So option one is you would get this machine, which is valued at a $63 value. Now all of this right here, like I said, it's $173. Well, before the machine, $173. But we add the machine in, it is $236. And you're going to get all of this for only $129. And, or option two is you could get this same value, $175 worth of product. You get the machine, but you can get it in white, and that's $129. Or if you don't want the machine, we're just going to go back to our products that we picked out, your choice of $175 worth of product for only $99. What a great deal. And the thing is, you can pick out anything you want in these catalogs. There's no restriction of what you pick out. So it's $175 either way. So $175 just the product, or you can add in the machine. Remember, when you add the machine in, all of this is a $236 value. So it is an amazing deal. So you ask, where do I go to find this? So if you go to my www.lisastamps.com and go to the on the very top it says join my team, you go there and you, like you said, you've got three options. Now this only goes until February 28th, so don't miss out. And you would get to be part of my team. My team, we have monthly Zoom calls, we have other fun get-togethers on Zoom, we have challenges, you can earn free products. It is so neat. But then also, you always will get a discount on your stamping supplies, and that is the best deal. And that is why I originally joined. I just wanted the deal. I love the products. I wanted to get the deal on it, but then I seen everything that Stampin' Up! Had to offer, and it has been an amazing ride. So, but like I said, take a peek at this and just start, make your wish list. Make your wish list of what you want, and like I said, you pick out $175 and you either get it for $99 or we add the machine in, it's $129. But go to my lisastamps.com. All the information is there. And you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. But stamping friends, do not miss this. This is the best deal ever in the catalog. You can either pay $99 or you can pay $175. What's the better deal? And we all know it. And like I said, I know the extra perks that are available. As of right now I speak about this, Stampin' Up! Has something that customers can't buy, but demonstrators, we can. A special offer. So you would get to have all those fun advantages. But take a look at the catalog, make your wish list, and go to my site, click on Join My Team, and join the amazing fun that you can have with Stampin' Up! You have a great day, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye.